kitchen and welcome to Fab 5 Friday, where every Friday we cook up fabulous dishes with only 5 ingredients. And this week we're going to be making some black pepper shrimp. Before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love quick and easy recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Now, I know I say this every week, it just couldn't get any easier, but really this week, this black pepper shrimp, it is only 3 ingredients. So unless you're going to eat the shrimp right out of the bag, it really couldn't get any easier than this. So I've got 4 tablespoons of butter that I have just been melting down here, and it's just about melted all the way. And to this, I'm going to add about, I would say 4 or 5 big garlic cloves, but I have some smaller ones today, so I've probably got about 6 or 7 in here. And I'm just going to use my Pampered Chef garlic press, which I love because I don't have to peel these or anything. Let me just take the peels back out. And then I am just going to let my garlic saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns just a tiny bit brown and it gets really fragrant. All right, that looks just about good. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my burner off. And I've got a whole cookie sheet here of shrimp, and they have the shells. I can never say this. The shells and the tails. I used to say shells. The shells and the tails on. So I'm just going to spread these out, make sure they're kind of all in one single layer. We're going to pour our butter right over the top. Make sure I get my garlic out of here. Then we're going to give these a little bit of a stir. Make sure they're all coated and they all get a little bit of butter. And then we're just going to take our black pepper right over the top. So we wanted to use fresh ground black pepper for this. And you know what? Just like last Friday, this is another Paula Deen recipe that I've been making for years. And I just love it. But I mean, who doesn't love shrimp, right? And as she says, you can never have enough black pepper on these. So just about when you think you have enough, you put a little bit more. All right, so my oven is on 450. I'm going to pop these in there for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to take them out, turn them over, and put some more pepper on. All right, in the oven. And look at those pretty babies. Oh my goodness, I had to let them cool for just a little bit on the stovetop so I'd be able to try one. Which one do I want? I don't know which one I want here. Not that I need to try them. I've made these a million times, so I know exactly how good they are. Get my little shell off here. Like I said, though, who doesn't love shrimp? I could eat a whole tray. I really could eat the whole tray. No one else is here. They would never know I even made shrimp. So delicious. So if you like shrimp, you definitely got to give this a try. And you know what? On your lunch hour, on your way home from work, you can stop by the deli. I got a piece of shrimp in my teeth. You can stop by the deli or, the bakery and get yourself a nice loaf of bread, a little bit of a salad. Come home, pop these in the oven. 15, 20 minutes later, you've got dinner done, and it's so delicious. Matter of fact, if you're looking for a recipe for a no-knead, quick, easy, you can make it yourself bread. It takes 90 minutes. 90 minutes? Yeah, 90 minutes. I think it's 90 minutes. I forget. Anyway, I'm going to post a recipe for that right here. And I'm going to post a recipe for a strawberry salad over here that's really delicious. So give those a try as well. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.